mechanic here. Got a 2014 GMC Sierra, yet again. What we're going to do today is install a LED light bar on the rear. Stay tuned, I'll show you some more. Alright guys, so what we're going to do first is we got to take the tailgate off. To do that, we have to undo this strap and this strap. Also, if you have a backup camera, which most if not all 2014s do, you got to watch out for this wire right here. Looks like we're going to have enough wire to at least put this tailgate in the back of the box, just hopefully out of the way enough. Alright, so to take these off, you just got to pull this tab out, push up, and then it's out. Simple as that. So I will bring you guys back when I have that off. Alright, we're back. All I did for right now, and I know I'm sorry you can't really see me, but what I did for right now is just put the tailgate right up out of the way. What I'm going to do now is with a rag, I'm going to wipe the surface area off where the LED light's going to stay. There. Alright. So, got the old LED light bar here. I had this on my older truck, so it's not brand new. I'm going to get some self-tappers. A handy dandy drill. And we're going to be plugging this in. Well, not plugging it in, but at least putting it on. So, alright, let's see here. First things first, what I want to do is I want to get all this wiring right here tucked down behind the bumper. And you know what? Let me move you guys real quick. Here, come on. Right over here. Let's see here. Let's see. Is this going to be better for you guys? Let's try there. Alright. Okay, so let's stick it down through here. There we go, and I'm just going to let it dangle here for right now, because what I'm going to do next is by my license plate, I'm going to come up through, and then I'm just going to plug it into right here for right now. But for right this second, I want to get this lined up, level, put self-tappers in. So I'm going to be scooting you out of the way again, because sorry, I'm going to be sitting here. So here we are. And it's going to be let's try that again. there's that one for right now. there. There we go. That. All right. Okay, 2 down. But I believe 2 more to, yeah, 2 more to go. All right. Now for this. Okay. Am I still in your guys' way? Sorry. Let's try right there. All right. She's back in. Make sure she's level. That. Now for the last one. Okay, might be in your way for this one. Sorry, guys. And that looks good there. There's that. Good. Good. And good. Alright. Now for what I was telling you guys before. Jammer. Oh. Alright. So make sure it's wrapped up around my trailer hitch so that stays up out of the way. Let's see here. There we go. There's that. There's this. There we go. All right, then it's just a simple plug in. And there we are. That's all tucked up out of the way. It's up around the trailer hitch, out of the way. Doesn't have to worry about dropping and falling down. But let me get the tailgate back on, guys. I'll bring you right back. Alright guys, get the tailgate on. Let me show you what those lights look like. Alright, let me get you up here. Look at that. Now that'll work off the blinkers. And once I wire in the reverse light, this one actually has set up for reverse lights. Right now I just wanted to get this put in, but I think that looks really good. Alright guys, this is your veteran mechanic, and you have a good night. Bye. Alright guys, in the beginning of the video you might have heard some whining, and these would be the culprits. There is Gracie, the culprit right there. There's little Georgia. Hey Georgia. How you doing, baby girl? Yeah? Yeah? How's my girls doing? And there's big old Nova. My little fluffers. Yes, I know. I know. I've been ignoring you. I'm so sorry. Alright, guys. Again, this is your veteran mechanic. Like, subscribe, comment, and have a good one, guys. Everybody say goodbye. Bye. Bye, Gracie. Bye.